Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking banana rock buns. This is a very popular pastry with Ghanaian yogurt sellers. The only difference is that they don't add banana to it, but today we are experimenting something new and we are infusing banana into rock buns. How wonderful that will look, don't you think? Let's try it out. Ingredients for the banana rock buns are half cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of grated nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 2 room temperature eggs, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter tablespoon of salt, half cup of white granulated sugar, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of butter, and 4 medium-sized ripened bananas. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. To begin, mash the bananas until a few pieces are seen in the mixture. Then pick up the mixing bowl, add in the butter, the sugar, and the oil. Combine with a whisk until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs, one at a time, under 4 minutes best. Add in the banana mixture and then mix with the aid of a spatula. Now add into the mixture the dry ingredients, which includes the flour, baking powder, baking soda, the salt, and the cornstarch, and then mix it together with the wet ingredients. Note that since it's rock buns and not regular cake, the batter needs to be a bit stiff, something you can even roll out with your hands if possible. As the mixing is ongoing, you recognize a little bit that it's stiff, but that is very okay. Don't panic. Grease there. Rock buns baking tin with the homemade cake release. You can find the recipe to that on the channel. This is done purposely to help it release easily after it is baked and prevent it from breaking apart. With the aid of an ice cream scooper, scoop the batter into the already greased baking tin and then bake at 160 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes at most. Note that it will have a brownish color like beans. And these are our rock buns, perfectly baked and they look really nice. Now flip it onto a chopping board or a serving tray or a well cleaned flat surface, and then flip it upside to review how it looks actually. Just look at this. This has a view of something we call in Ghana sweet bud. The only difference is that that is fried, but it looks great, doesn't it? To enjoy this, you can bite into it or break it apart with your hands if you prefer. Just look at how nice it just look at this. It's so nice. It's very soft, although the batter was very stiff in the beginning before it was baked. It still has a bit of crunch to it, and this is basically how rock buns is made. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.